Good.
Ladies and gentlemen, for most of you who are nauseated by obnoxious drinks, this is called a cement mixer. Not for the faint of heart. It is 3 parts Bailey's Irish Cream. Hopefully the writing is straight on this.
Oh, yep, we got it.
Give the lime juice a little shake. And then you just give this a squeeze and watch it start to set up into cement. A close up of that. Now, in the process of doing this, you have to make sure you stir it so
Oh my
that it
gosh.
starts to clump and
Already
curdle
curdling.
and turn into this obnoxiously snot-looking booger stuff.
Okay, I've got to back out.
Now, I highly recommend, after having done this many times, that you have a chaser because you're going to need it nearly immediately.
Oh,
So here is to everybody who likes cement.
oh God.
Got to get the chunks out of there.
Oh God.
That's a cement mixer. For all of you who didn't listen to me the first time,
Oh God.
this is kind of a necessary evil.
Cheers.
Thank you so much.